It looks good though. Hey, a retract down first flight's not a bad thing.
Just for the hell of it, hit the retract switch.
Scoots right along pretty good.
Well, it's rated 46 to 55, so I got 55 in it, so it ought to be back pretty well.
Yeah. You can always throttle back. More is better. This is the Seagull Models Dauntless.
I'm sorry?
That's the Seagull Models Dauntless.
That's the Phoenix, yeah.
The Phoenix model, that's right. Retracts didn't work. He said no, nothing.
I thought maybe running light jiggle something loose. It's funny how that didn't work.
That's all right. It's still flying good. It looks good.
So how you doing with fires, Bobby?
Gonna do a couple of stall tests, huh?
All right.
How'd it do, Mike? Did it mush over?
You dropped the flaps yet? Flaps are down, I assume, now.
Oh, that's gentle. Nothing violent at all, huh? No snapping to the left or right or nothing. Just kind of mushes over. John, I think you got you a nice airplane there.
Well, I hope so. It looks like a skiller anyway at this point.
Looks like it's got the Mike sign of approval on it. That's the flaps there?
That's the flaps down.
Yeah, he said the flaps are down.
Okay. Now, Mike, you're going to land it with the flaps down, right?
Oh yeah. Once he gets it dialed in for you, it's a piece of cake. As long as it doesn't porpoise up and you work the elevator in to the mix, you're good.
And there we go, the first loop. And a roll.
Nice victory roll there.
That's all right. Yeah, and watching the video of flight test on this thing, it's very stable in the air.
It's got all the characteristics of a stable airplane. I said it's got all the characteristics of a stable airplane.
You know, that intense eagle break in the wings helps too.
Absolutely. Here we go, setting up for a landing.
Look at that.
Nice. There you go. Phoenix Models Dauntless. I think you got you a winner there.
Yeah, looks like it. Phoenix does good. They make some good stuff.
Yeah, they do. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe. Looks good to me.